Okay, dear student, let's see what is there in this question. A cube of side 1 centimeter has a resistance between the opposite sides as 50 ohms. So this is the cube here. And you can just imagine passing the current in the two opposite sides here. And the resistance is given as 50 ohm here. The material is reshaped into a block of length 4 centimeter and the constant cross section area. What is the resistance of the block between its square ends? So what is the resistance between of the block between its square ends? So what is the resistance here? So this resistance, like we are going to use the formula this, but the resistivity is not given. So of course we would be finding all the unknown variables from our first case in which you're passing current from the cube. So the cube is there. So let me create this equation first of all. And I will not be converting units from centimeter into meter, but I should be, but because every unit is in centimeters and there is no addition and subtraction in the formula, it is only multiplication and division. It hardly matters because even the multiplicative factors or the conversion factors, they will be getting cancelled out. So doesn't matter if we are using centimeters as the unit. So the resistance here is 50 ohms is equal to resistivity, and the length will be taken as 1 centimeter, and the cross sectional area will be 1 into 1, and even that will be 1. And I'm not converting it into meters. Of course it will be giving you a different value, but we can still, in the terms of the same units, we can use rho as 50, and we are going to substitute it here. Now, for this case, I am interested in this, like rho will be substituted as 50. Length will be 4 centimeters because we want to go, like the current is passing from one square cross section to the another cross section. But the problem is this area is not given to us. This is unknown. So we have to find the area and then we substitute that value here and the rho value will be 50. You can find the new resistance. But how to find the value of A? Now the question, like read the question again. The material is reshaped into a block of length 4 centimeter. It is reshaped. It means that the volume of the material will be kept constant because the density remains the same, the mass remains the same. So the volume will also be coming out to be the same. So the volume in the first case, because it is a cube, it will be A cube, like the length, the cube of that. So it will be 1 centimeter cube. 1 into 1 into 1. And what about the volume of the second rod here? Because this is a cuboid and it is having a constant cross-section area, but the length is not the same. This breadth is different, height is different, but we don't care. We just take it as A. The volume here can be written as A into H, isn't it? The cross-sectional area and the length. So it will be A into L. A is unknown and L is written as 4 centimeter. And both of these volumes are equal. It means 4A is equal to 1, which means that the cross-sectional area can be taken as 1 by 4 centimeter square. The units will always be in centimeters now because we have not converted that. So the area here is 1 by 4. I just substitute value here, 50 into 4, and this is 1 by 4. So this 4 will go into numerator. It will be 50 into 4 into 4. So that will give you a value of 5 4s are 20, 200. 200 into 4 is 800 ohm. So the answer will be C in this case, 800 ohm. So you can clearly see that this cube was having a very small resistance because the cross section area was much bigger and it was 4 times clearly, and the length was just 1 centimeters and the resistance was 50 ohm. But in the second case, the length has become 4 times and the cross sectional area has reduced by 4 times. So the resistance has become quite more. So the answer will be 800 ohm, and that is the answer. The answer is C, and according to the mark scheme, yes, the answer is C. Okay, dear students, this is Professor Varun. Thanks for watching the video. All the best.